Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to edit 3D mockup shape in a super easy way. So let's jump right in. Alright, first we are going to grab the object selection tool. Then we go ahead and select the object. After that we will just invert the selection by hitting Ctrl plus I. Next we added a solid color layer and we are going to change its blending mode to vivid light. Then grab the rectangle tool, draw out your shape, turn off the stroke and pick a color you like. We convert the rectangular layer into a smart object. Then we go to the edit menu and select the perspective warp. We drag the rectangular onto the layer, then align its point with the shape. After that we will select warp and blend it nicely with the front side of the object. Alright, once that's done, go ahead and click OK. Then jump over to the layers panel and double click on the rectangle layer. Then I open up a new tab. Now just copy your design from the other layer, paste it in here, line it up with the shape and hit save. You will see it automatically snaps into the rectangle, and finally just change the blending mode from normal to multiply to finish it off. We'll repeat the same process from the other side of the object. First we draw a rectangle shape and convert it into smart object. Then we go to perspective warp and align it with the other side of the object. After that we double click to the small object, add our design inside and save it. That's it. The second side will be ready. You can use the same method to create the third side as well. And just like that, your 3D mockup design is ready. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, comments and subscribe so you do not miss any of the upcoming content. Thank you for watching.